Hey everybody, so here we have the 2022 Razer Blade 15 Advanced. This one has a 12800 Intel processor with a NVIDIA RTX 3070 Ti. And as you can see, we have the laptop cooler up in Synapse right now, and we have it under quiet mode. And this is kind of a little demonstration of what the laptop cooler sounds like. I'm going to pop it over to performance, and you should hear it spike. So a little bit of additional fan noise there. And then we're going to run a program here. And you can really hear it going. And that's about what you can expect as far as the noise goes. It's not quiet. It's definitely noticeable. Not comparable at all to a tower system. But this is my setup for when I'm on the road. So I have my laptop cooler, and the Leviathan USB-C speaker, and the Basic Pro 3.